Well, hello everybody. Thank you for joining us. We're going to be unboxing today a Force handset answering system from AT&T. It's the model number CL83464. This is an item available from Costco, and we're really looking forward to getting this because it's going to replace a phone system in our house. And let's take a look and see what we got. Quick start guide. That's the first thing we come across. That'll be handy later. You know, guys don't like to look at instructions anyway, but looks like everything is really compact inside the box. Yeah, here are handsets falling all over the place. They're packaged individually, and they've got a protective screen. Looks really nice. And they're shipped without the battery compartment in there, which is going to be in this stuff. It's a handset number 2. Handset number 3. Handset number 4. Couple of AC adapters here, and these all go to the base. Well, these are the different base models you can put around your house, and what's great is these are just using electricity and they don't have to be wired in. You know, it's great for a house where you don't have to wire everything in. And we have very limited phone connections around, but we have plenty of electrical connections, of course, so that's great. Great for that use. Here's some of our batteries and cases. These batteries are going to pop into these, and then these cases are going to pop into the back of each one. Let's see. It's our hefty manual. Another base. Yeah, let's see, tangled up here a little. So there's our 3 bases, and here is Mr. Headquarters. So we got a base, 4 units, and then our batteries and everything. Looks like we're all in fine shape here once we put all this together. Just to show you, this pops in here. This will have one particular way that this goes, I'm sure. And if it's not one way, it's going to be the other.